Welcome to a rainy downtown Huntley, Illinois. Yeah, it's kind of an icky day out today. Not the typical weather that I like to have when I do these little downtown tours. Ooh, got a chocolate shop here. That sounds good. We're gonna make our way over to that gazebo over there. Their little town square, I guess, if you want to call it that. Very cute downtown area, and this is our first video in Huntley over at Memories by Wayne. HSS Huntley High School, I'm assuming. Getting to be homecoming season. So we're going to see some decorations in McHenry soon. Been wanting to feature this little town square for a while now on the channel, but Huntley is just the beginning of our journey and this video today. Has some shops over here as well. Pretty cute gazebo. It is really feeling like fall today. It is officially fall now. But it is going to warm up a tad bit though, once we get through this little storm, cold front, whatever. At least gonna get back into the mid-70s, so it'll kind of feel like summer again, sort of. Alright, here's our gazebo. Let's get out of the rain for a second so we can discuss our journey today. Our journey today isn't so much about Huntley as it is the Longmeadow Parkway. Now, when I did my video over at Longmeadow Parkway, which actually was done in two parts, 2 different days, I didn't realize at the time how close it was to actually opening. It actually opened about a week later or so, something like that, after I did that second part. I'm getting to a point on this channel, you might have noticed, where I'm kind of wanting to close some chapters. I discussed that with Hawthorne Mall. I kind of feel like also I'm sort of closing a chapter with Spring Hill Mall. And Longmeadow Parkway, I think, is a chapter I'm kind of closing on this channel as well. I covered the redevelopment of this road, I think, about as well as I can. It's no longer a toll bridge or a toll road. Now it's just a road with a bridge that goes over the Fox River. I haven't driven it. I haven't even passed by it since it opened. And that's what we're going to do today. Starting out here in downtown Huntley, we are going to connect to Huntley Road and head east. Continuing on Huntley Road, we are going to connect to Longmeadow Parkway, sort of out by Randall Road, and we're going to continue east, crossing over the Fox River to where the Longmeadow Parkway ends, over by Illinois State Route 62. Algonquin Road. Well, rain's starting to pick up again, but get the idea what the plan is for today. Let's get going. Maybe I'll come back here again once it's not so rainy out. And it does look to officially be a town square. All right, we got our donuts here. Got a pecan caramel thing and a maple donut. And a hot chocolate we're gonna take with us. Cute place. Definitely gives me a South Bend Chocolate Company vibe over in St. Joseph, Michigan. Missed that place, I want to get back there. Very impromptu food vlog. Kind of hungry though. Only $1.50 for each of these donuts. A little on the small side, so that's why I ended up kind of getting two. Couldn't decide between the two of them. It's definitely like a Canadian themed donut, you know, like I forgot what the heck it was called now, but we went to the Mall in America. It was my first and only experience at a Tim Hortons, and I had like their Canadian version of a maple donut or whatever. That was excellent.
I mean, yeah, they can squeeze through, but boy, they get touched. I mean, you get a 330-pound guy grabbing you.
Tough choosing between the two of them, but man, I almost got to go with this one. There were several good ones there.
You want a card? Yes. I mean, I just don't see the talent of comparison.
Definitely looks like we're going to have a rainy drive on the Longmeadow Parkway, but hey, whatever.
The rookie gets hurt, he comes in and he's game. How long do you think they'll stick? Yeah. I mean, Fields here too. Fields chose. Oh, that's right. Now he's not running.
All right, let's begin this journey. Do apologize. Looks like you're going to have to deal with some wiper blades. But hey, I finally, well overdue, got some new wiper blades for this vehicle. So now we have to find the start of Huntley Road. And here it is. Just a random street. Huntley, Dundee Road. Alright, now I'm not going to do a round trip like I originally planned. I'm not doing a time-lapse thing, and I'm not going to put you through the whole thing. Video's going to be way too long. And obviously we're going to focus more on Longmeadow Parkway as opposed to Huntley Road. Not that there's anything wrong with Huntley Road. This is Hardican Road. This is Haligus Road. Now we're going to be able to travel this whole thing without turning. Well, Huntley Road does turn off at some point, headed to the southeast into Carpentersville, but we will continue straight and it'll turn into Longmeadow Parkway. Galligan Road, this goes over to Gilbert's. And just verified it on Google Maps, we actually have already crossed over from McHenry County to Kane County a little while ago. So it'll be Kane County from here on out. still have a little ways to go yet before we separate from Huntley Road. Alright, I think, yep. Huntley Road to the right, Longmeadow Parkway straight ahead. So Huntley Road goes this way into Carpentersville, close to Spring Hill Mall. Boyer Road to the left. And now we are officially on the Longmeadow Parkway. And we're getting ready to cross Randall Road. So yeah, Randall Road is more or less the beginning of the Longmeadow Parkway on the west end. It should be 4 lanes, 2 on each side, from here on out. This is definitely not an expressway, not a freeway. There are stoplights, crosswalks. I'm not enough of an expert of the history of this area to tell you, oh, this part of Longmeadow Parkway was expanded. I think a lot of this used to not be a 4-lane road, but don't quote me on that, please. So again, I'm not too familiar with the area, and this particular road is a sleepy hollow road. Things are definitely going to get interesting here. This is Illinois State Route 31. This is where we would have our barricades over on the west side. We are getting ready to drive over this bridge for the first time. And I'm guessing these cars are as well. Here we go, folks. This is definitely not a good day to be walking the trails. Oh, wow. Just saw the bridge over there. There's our bike path over on the north side. And there's our bridge. You do need this rain now. Ooh, we're getting ready to cross the Fox River Bridge. It's no longer a toll bridge. Yeah, we can't walk in the middle of this thing anymore. There are vehicles. Not super busy, but it's basically what I expect, you know? There's a little side bike path down there that'll eventually connect over there by Bowles Road. Still got our bike path on that side. There's that little thing. I may have been an electrical box for the toll bridge thing at one point. Bowles Road. And now we got our bike path on the south side. So, do you think the wait was worth it? I mentioned it before in the previous videos. I can kind of think of a scenario or two where this might be useful for me, where I need to get from 31 over to 25. And yeah, I guess I can take this to Algonquin Road, but I can easily get to there from Algonquin as well, so I don't know. Illinois State Route 25, JF Kennedy Drive. But here we go, it exists, Longmeadow Parkway. And it's not going to cost us anything to drive on it. A very interesting story. Very interesting development, but it's finally here. Like I said, it was maybe 2017, 2018 when I first saw them constructing the bridge over Illinois State Route 31. Then when I found out it was going to be a toll bridge, a new iPass thing in the area, I'm like, oh wow. It definitely got my interest. Should be getting pretty close to the park now. Fortunately, it's going to be a little wet outside to explore the park this time. I think it's right over here. Yep, Hickory Hill Park. I'm not sure if this is a fairly new park, or if this has been here a while and was kind of Bull's Road that went through here. I'm not really sure about that. Interestingly enough, I do see a nice little walking path back there, so this may be worth coming back to. And as we approach Illinois State Route 62, Algonquin Road, that is the end of the Longmeadow Parkway. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Wish it could have been a little drier for you, but it's the way it works out sometimes. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. I will link my previous videos here of the Longmeadow Parkway. Thank you for watching. So, I want some bonus footage of the Longmeadow Parkway, at least from Illinois State Route 25 west to Illinois State Route 31. Yeah, I originally planned to vlog something on Illinois State Route 25 until I realized it's closed today, so we'll have to save that for another day. I got kind of odd hours, so I'm not sure when I'll be able to go there, but let's head over the bridge one more time because, yeah, this rain is not getting any better, so we're going to head over to Illinois State Route 31 and head north back to McHenry. I'm done until this weather gets better. It's supposed to stop raining in the afternoon sometime. One more trip over the Fox River. And here's Bull's Road again. stop, but it's a stoplight, so it's not really an exit ramp. Alright, so Longmeadow Parkway. And since it's not a toll bridge, we're definitely never going to get an oasis up here, right? Or 31 to the left. Thank you again for watching.